Do you know what's really in your gum? Gum is marketed as clean, refreshing, even natural, but new research suggests it may come with a hidden cost. But first, welcome back. I'm Dr. Maria Azizian, a board-certified general surgeon and an IFM-certified functional medicine physician. On this channel, I share health tips on skin health, food and supplements, functional medicine, surgery, and the latest medical research to help you feel your best. And if that sounds good, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe. So a new pilot study from UCLA presented at the American Chemical Society Spring of 2025 meeting has uncovered something surprising. Chewing gum can release hundreds of microplastic particles into your mouth with every chew. Researchers set out to investigate a question that had never been directly studied before. How many microplastics are released while chewing gum? To answer it, they designed a small but revealing pilot study. 10 different types of chewing gum were tested, 5 brands of synthetic gum, and 5 labeled as natural or plant-based. All were chewed by a single participant for varying durations, ranging from 2 to 20 minutes. At specific points, saliva samples were collected and analyzed using infrared microscopy, along with a smartphone-enabled technique to detect and quantify microplastics. The results startling. On average, each gram of gum released up to 637 microplastic particles, and 94% of them were released within the first 8 minutes of chewing. And it didn't matter whether the gum was synthetic or plant-based, both released similar amounts of microplastics. Statistically, there was no difference between those two types of gum. So what kind of plastics were detected? Researchers found 4 primary plastic polymers in the saliva samples. The most common were polyolefins, a group of plastics used in food packaging, plastic bags, and bottle caps. These are not biodegradable and can persist in the environment and potentially in our bodies. But what does this mean for your health? Microplastics are tiny plastic particles less than 5 millimeters in size. While scientists are still studying their effects on the human body, early research suggests that microplastics may pass through the gut lining, enter our bloodstream, and accumulate in our tissues, and some types may cause inflammation, oxidative stress, or disrupt hormone signaling. We already know that microplastics are found in seafood, bottled water, table salt, and many other everyday products. Now we can add chewing gum to that list. The study's authors aren't trying to create panic. In fact, they were careful to note, our goal is not to alarm anybody, they said. Scientists don't know yet whether microplastics are harmful to humans. There are no clinical trials, but we do know we are exposed, and chewing gum is part of that exposure. And that's a quote. It's a reminder that even the simplest everyday habits like chewing a piece of gum can contribute to our overall plastic burden. So the next time you reach for that stick of minty freshness, just know you're not just chewing gum. You might be chewing plastic. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to hearing from you in the comment. Until next time, bye-bye.